Ellie. Hi.
Good job, Ellie.
Oh, what a good girl. Oh, that's a good girl.
Yay.
Here, can you go get Daddy? Cameron?
Come here. Yay.
That's a good girl.
Oh.
Oh, Ellie. Ellie. Oh, can you stand up? Okay.
I found some snacks.
Yeah. Okay.
The watermelon and
Come get the ball. Come get the ball. Over here. That's it. Yeah. Yay. Good girl. Oh, thank you. Is this a snack for me? It's milk. Oh.
We can all share the milk, but no peanut. No coffee.
Ellie, what's right over there?
Juice.
Juice. Who likes juice?
We can all have juice. All together.
Oh, good job. Good job, Ellie.
We can all have the
Hi. Hey, how old is Ellie? 1. 1. Ellie is 1.